Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, back with a... Hey Harper. It's Nikea here, back with another installation for my Color Crush Rainbow Makeup series. And today's look is called Pinky Swear. And y'all, I'm a Delta, so I can't really put my pinky up like I want to. That would be fraud. So yeah, Pinky Swear. That's what I'm calling. So today's look is going to be like all pink. I really think that everything that I'm using is going to be pink. Okay, so my base is already done with my brows. Concealer, I actually set myself with the spray, but it was like hella hot at work today. Like some of the classrooms were almost 80 degrees. Me and the kids were sweating. So you see I'm a little shiny. Gonna get rid of that really quick. But before we get into this look, y'all, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell button so that you never miss when I post, and join the club. It's easy, it's free, and it's fun. And if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, I'll card this video up above. It's my twist and curl. But anywho, enough shameless plugs. Let's get into this makeup look. All right, starting with my It's My Ray Ray palette, I'm going to use Spice, of course, as my transition color. Alright, and before I get any further into this look, I don't want to forget, I'm going to use a concealer base from this concealer palette that I got from BH Cosmetics. It's been through. You can see. So I'm not going to use one of the lighter ones. I'm going to use like, well, it's going to be lighter, but something a little closer to my skin tone. Not as white. Probably this one or this one. So I'm going to put that as my shadow base. And I just like these because they're like nice and creamy and sticky, and it gives something for the shadow to stick to, and it allows for the colors to pop on my lid. Alright, got my transition color and my base, and I'm going to be a little funky today. And I was just looking at the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to use this blending brush from It's My Ray Ray, and I'm also going to use Sunset, so just to add a little more fun color. So I know it's reddish, but I think that's just going to play well with the shadow look I'm going for. Alright, so I have this Smokey Eye palette, 36 shadow colors from Coastal Scents, and this is what we're going for today. We're going to stick with our pinks. Okay, so I think I really want to go with a poppin' pink, because usually I already know exactly what I'm going to do with these looks, but with this pink one, I don't really wear a lot of pink eyeshadow, so I was like, what am I going to do? So I know I'm going to use these colors, so I'm going to start with this bright like fuchsia pink right here. I'm going to take this shadow brush from It's My Ray Ray. So it's a pink look using pink brushes. Except for that one purple one at the beginning. Going into that fuchsia pink, and I'm just gonna pat that all over my lid. Alright, staying with this same Smoky Eye palette, I'm gonna use this darker, deeper pink right here, and I'm gonna put that above where I put that bright fuchsia. Alright, I'm taking another blending brush, staying with this smoky palette and getting this brownish, blackish, purplish color. just gonna start with a little bit and build up just into the outer corner and a little bit up into my crease. I think that turned it a little bit purple. I like it. Yeah. And I'm actually gonna go back into the It's My Ray Ray palette and put a little more sunset up there. I really like this. Okay, I'm gonna take this dual highlighter blending brush from It's My Ray Ray and just make sure everything's blended out. I'm doing that with a clean brush. Alright, so we're gonna do something fun on the lower lash line. So I have this detail brush from It's My Ray Ray, and I'm going to go into Spice and Sunset like I did up here and put that on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go back to the Smokey palette and get that brownish, purplish, blackish color. So first with Spice. That's good. Now I'm going into the Smokey Eye palette. Like in the palette, that color looks really like brownish, but I'm seeing that it's like next to a purple, so it really might be a deep purple black color. All right, using this small detail brush from Real Technique, I'm gonna go into the Smokey Eye palette, and there's this shimmery pink here. I'm gonna put that in my tear duct because I live for a tear duct highlight. I'm going to take this kohl liner and line my waterline. The faces I make when I do my makeup. Alright, that is it for the eyes. So now we're going to get on to the cheeks. And, of course, It's My Ray Ray has a highlight just called Radiant, which has some peachy, orangey tones, and I've used this in other looks before because I feel like it goes well with them, and it's gonna go well with this one too. So this blush from Coastal Scents, it's called Exuberant, and it really has those pink flecks in there. So Radiant was a good base, okay? But I feel like it's more golden on me. So we're gonna use that. And I'm all for using products for dual purposes. A blush can be a highlighter, an eyeshadow, and my mold. All right, and now for the blush. So I have this 10 blush palette from Coastal Scent, and we have several pink options here. And I think I'm gonna go with this one. It matches the eye. So I'm gonna start with a little bit and then build it up. Don't wanna look cray-cray. Right on the apple. You know, I really thought this was gonna be brighter, but this is like really cute. I've probably been like going overboard. Alright, using my fluffy powder brush from It's My Ray Ray's brush collection. Just gonna blend everything out and get all the little excess off. And just make sure we have a clean face. That's good. But I'm going to be using same lashes I've used before. They are by Kiss. The style is Poise. Got these from Walmart. They came 5 in a pack. Let's sit and get tacky. And while I have 2 lip options that I had, and I was like, I don't know which one I want to use. now that I'm looking at it, I think I do know. So I have one from MAC. I got this from, and I've like never used it, I don't think. I got this when I went to a makeup class. This is called Fun Fun. And I'll swatch it. So that's Fun Fun. Ooh, that is Fun Fun. Here is from Wet n Wild. This is called Pinkerbell. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with Pinkerbell. I really think this could be a dupe for, it's called Candy Yum Yum for MAC. Look how pink that is. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. So, of course, I've already pre-moisturized my lips. Wet n Wild, that is a matte color, but it's not really drying. So, I'm gonna wipe off some of that product. And for this color, I've worn this color once before, so I do know I need a liner. So I'm gonna use this liner from NYX, and it's called Nude Pink. Just so I'm not just like, color on my lips. All right, and now Pinkerbell. Yes, okay. This would be cute with like a little bit of, Alright, beauties, I got these lashes on. Oh, I told y'all they give me a hard time. These lashes always give, I cannot put them on myself. But here is the finished pink look with my pimple mode. I really enjoy this look. It's very fun and pink, and it's not like over the top. Like, it's really spot on. So, pinky swear. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for staying tuned and for watching, and you made it to the end. And be sure to thumbs up this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell button so you get notifications and never miss when I post. And you can go ahead and check out these two videos right here. Keep watching this Color Crush makeup series. Check out this hair look, and go ahead and click on my picture so that you can go head to my channel page and to subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.